Hey guys, so today we finished the install on the Passport Max 2. This is a very simple install, but it makes the dash look a lot better. So all we did was, on this particular vehicle, is we used what is called a blend mount. Now typically what I see on most radar detector installs is you buy a radar detector, you spend about, I don't know, anywhere between 250 to 500 bucks, and you stick it on with a suction cup mount on the windshield, and then you have a long droopy wire go across your dash, and then you plug into the cigarette lighter or the power port. Here with the blend mount, you can see it mount. These are vehicle specific, by the way, and it mounts onto the mirror. So one, it's never going to fall off. We've all had that problem happen before. It looks a lot cleaner. The other thing we did was we took the actual cigarette power adapter and we've wired it to the truck, so now you don't see any more wires. Now, keep in mind, this style setup makes it hard to transfer between vehicle to vehicle, but it looks a lot cleaner. So I thought I'd just show you guys this install because you might not have seen product like this, but it is available to you from your local installation shops.